Well, it's the first morning back into Skiathos, and here's a water taxi heading out. And then behind it is that super yacht that I have videos of. Pretty amazing. Another spectacular day, blue sky. Okay, here's a contrast to see how large that yacht is compared to this little fishing boat. This water taxi. Busy morning. All the tours are setting off into Skopelos for the Mamma Mia tour. There's another one just setting off. Oh, here comes another one. It's going to be a busy day on the beaches out there. So it just finished lifting its anchor, and now it's on its way. I think there's probably 200 people on there, for sure, 100. Here comes the sea jets from Skopelos, right below the restaurant on the peninsula here. And I'm gonna come back for a swim. Absolutely fantastic. This lady's going in somewhere, obviously. They don't tell you about this in town. They want you to take a boat somewhere to a beach. I'm definitely coming back here.
Passing by.
It's all calm right near here.
The shag coming along.
It's magnificent. Well, these ladies showed me that you can swim here. I'm definitely coming back. Saves me taking a bus. And there's nobody around. It's wonderful. She said she's been here for a month and comes here a lot for swimming. Right below the restaurant on the peninsula here. So I'm coming back. Tanker coming into the port of Skiathos. I don't know what it's carrying or what it's picking up. It's called Eco-1, E-K-O-1. Just magnificent day here on the rocks. I'm gonna come back here for a swim. When the boats pass, they really churn out these big waves, so you gotta be careful when you're going in through the rocks. And also there's sea urchins, so I'm gonna bring my booties. Well, I'm now at the port in Skiathos waiting to get my ferry to Skopelos. Here's where they land, the ferry. The taxi here was €10, which is pretty decent. Another magnificent day. I met some people from Croatia, and they say they now come to Greece because it's cheaper than Croatia. Croatia has become more expensive because of the tourism. This is a lovely view of the port. Those represent adventure and excitement to me. Oh, it's gonna be fun to be on the upper deck up there. Well, I'm standing on the veranda at Xanemos Port Hotel, and this is the view. It's quite nice. The veranda is shaded in the afternoon. In the morning, it's very intense sun. And in the distance, far up there, you can now see a ferry starting to come towards port. In the afternoon, this street is quite busy, especially when ferries arrive. But the convenience of it is just 2 blocks away from this hotel is the bus stop and also the ferry port stop. So it's an easy hotel to get to when I departed from Skiathos. And I'll be taking the bus back to the airport from here and just walking 5 minutes and I'm fine. So the location is quite good and it's a budget hotel, decent service. View of my balcony, it's a decent size. It's got a clothesline and the air conditioner. And when the air conditioner is running, you really can't sit outside. It's too noisy. So I always turn off the air conditioner before coming out. That's the airplane landing as seen from my little balcony here, and I didn't even hear the plane coming in until it was just over here over the marina, and the runway is one of the shortest in Europe. Well, I'm eating early for their time. It's 7:30 p.m. I found a lovely little restaurant here at the other end of the port. I've never been here. And I managed to find something right on the water. Really cute. Here's where I'm sitting. Beautiful. Right on the water, this restaurant. It's fantastic. There's the old town. If you want an oceanside table, you have to reserve ahead of time, I just discovered. But I didn't know this restaurant. Really cute. Good vibe. Well, this end of the port really seems to have a lot more tavernas and restaurants right on the ocean. It's quite lovely. I didn't get to explore this a week ago. And it's a promenade. Row after row of restaurants, but there's no cars. Wow, this is the real deal. You've got the lobster. I don't know the names of all the fishes. That red one looks like a snapper. Amazing. And you got the little ones. I'm enjoying the sound of waves and the sound of Greek music in the background. Very traditional, very peaceful. I don't know why people don't swim right here. It's so clear. Got one ferry leaving and one ferry arriving. Busy day today. I'm not near the port. I'm on the far side of the port. The ferry just left, and now we're getting the residual waves. So beautiful, the breeze compared to yesterday with no breeze. Friday night in SKIATHOS. One of the bars. Crazy music. This is the rock and roll bar. Full stairwell going down. Chairs. Different scene at nighttime. It's quite amazing compared to the daytime. And the big super yacht is gone. And this is the port landing from Mamma Mia, the big port that they landed on with the sailboat when they missed their ferry. There's the peninsula that I walked on during the daytime, Bourtzi Peninsula. Oh, and there's the super yacht moored there for the night. Makes you wonder what's inside there. It would be neat to be in the middle of the ocean and see nothing but stars and water. That would be incredible. And there's the peninsula at the edge there. And there's a cruise boat for tours. Well, it's Saturday night, and as I get in close to the old port here, you can hear the music starting to blare from the bars. And that's why I love the restaurants up here. They're peaceful. This is Xanemos, really, really old style taverna. 2 stories up from the sea. Well, this is the Twilight Pista and Pazza restaurant. A bit larger than the other one. And above you have some places of dwellings. And again, a lovely ocean front. So these are outside of the town, just at the edge. So not as many tourists and not a boardwalk like in town. Lovely. So I found this lovely restaurant over the sea at the far end of the port here. And we check out another night. It's only one woman cooking, and the dishes look exquisite. It's okay. Waterfront in the old port, and the restaurants that I was looking at, they're all over there on that hill there. They're less expensive, most of them. The further away you get from the sea, the less expensive it is at the edge of town. It's a beautiful breeze, beautiful evening. And there's the super yacht parked there again. My final night in Skiathos. Some folklore music and dancing in the square near the marina there.